Hey, my name's Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've had this knife for a year and a half now. They've been out a little bit over a year and a half in the store. And I just found it in my stack. So, many of you have probably already seen a review on these if you're a knife lover, a collector. Probably seen these knives already. Many people did reviews on these already, but I'm late to the game on this one. Ozark Trail 7-inch pocket knife. Right here in the back it says 3-inch stainless steel blade, 4-inch plastic handle, shaft lock, and pocket clip. Right here in the back on this sticker it says OT 7-inch pocket knife 6707. I saw this at another video. Just pop that open like that, pull it out. Take off this tip guard on here. There we go. That's what we have right here today. Okay, first impressions. This was a $5 knife. So you gotta expect a $5 knife, right? One thing I don't like about it, how the liners, the covers right here, they put a little cutout right here for a lanyard. I would prefer that to be all covered up. Not a huge deal breaker, but well, apparently it's not a deal breaker at all because I bought it. Let's see here. Thumb studs, easy open, very easy open. To close it, this right here, shaft lock, you have to pull it down this way to release it. Not bad at all, really. This one is very easy open. I like that a lot. Ozark Trails stamp right here. Pocket clip. Just a generic, well, I can't really say generic, just nothing exciting about it, just a regular pocket clip. Centered pretty good. Easy open. Now a lot of reviewers say about 50% of these knives when you buy them new, they don't lock up as good as they should, and they have a lot of blade play when it's opened up all the way. But this one has no issue at all, which I'm grateful for. You see the liners right here. Got a piece of paper right here. Not too bad, look at there. For a $5 knife, got nothing bad to say about that. See if I can hold it right. You see how easily it cuts through there. Anyway, not too bad. Some people are saying that this is the best $5 knife that you can buy. I'm not going to disagree with that, because I sure have a lot less quality $5 knives. I kind of like that shaft lock. Some people call that an access lock, but I'm going to call it what the package says, shaft lock. You see right here on the edge of the blade has a slight recurve in it. I like it. So if you need a decent knife, run by your Walmart. They might have these in stock still, don't know, but I'm sure you can find one somewhere. I like it. Ozark Trails, this might be your best little $5 knife that you've ever put out. My name's Carl, and I do appreciate watching.